What's happening? CAMVEY Island for some airsoft, some CQB Airsoft with CAMO RAIDs, CAMO Airsoft events. We got here nice and early. It does, as a lot of airsoft spots do, look like an industrial estate. As soon as you get in, you've got a lovely shop. I must say, this is a site that definitely lives by gas. It seems like everyone loves a gas gun here. From what I saw, HPA is supported, but I'm running an AEG today. They've got nice toilets, they've got shooting ranges, they've got loads of space for, you know, getting all your airsoft stuff ready. They've actually even got lounges with the TV, you know, so in case you bring anyone else down, it's pretty cool that they've got all that stuff in there too. The site has friendly people, everything that you would expect going to a typical airsoft venue. People always great, you know, you usually have great games, and yeah, I think today was very much the same. So enjoy some of the game modes. I think this starting video will be Team Deathmatch, but there'll be more to come.
Team Deathmatch.
Okay, should have brought my phone. You been here before? Yeah. Are you guys figuring it out now? Oh, he dropped. Oh no.
How the fuck did you manage that?
Snap the threads off.
Oh, fuck's sake.
How the fuck did you manage that, Jordan? Jordan's holding back. He just broke the fucking thread off his fucking tracer unit.
Oh, mate.
Your button is
Ladies and gents.
press the silver one and only the silver one, please.
Any recommendations for this lovely map?
Yeah, they've changed. They've cut like holes out of things. Like the bit in the middle used to be a big solid block about head height. So if you do it, you get shot in the legs.
Oh shit. we went to DTW in Colchester. For taller people, there's so many like options to get shot in the dick. It's just, it's like, thanks mate.
Big old nappies or something coming.
Huh?
You can go.
Oh yeah.
Green means go.
Yeah.
Got your ass. I'm with you, Nat. Pop out. Pop that gun out. Oh, he's lucky. 9 o'clock for you guys. 9 o'clock. He's running. He's gone back. Hit. Does that count if we're all dead?
Yeah.
How the fuck did that happen?
7. There should be 7, but
I got you 6. Careful, there's a gap. Shit, where the fuck is that coming from? Oh shit. Slipped. Hit. Where we going? Talk to me.
I was going to go that side.
Yeah?
Round.
Let's work together. Let's go. That's us, that's friendly. Hey, I got him. Oh yeah, I did get him good. This is a dangerous spot. Oh. Watch it. They just shot from there. They just shot down your way. There you go. Look down that way. Yep.
fucking weird, I don't like it.
Nice, nice. One of our team's just gone ahead. Oh. Watch. Oh, fuck. Where the fuck did that come from? Marshall? Yes. Is there an upstairs part? Okay. I'll get your seat. Shit.
On the window.
All the way.
Good throw though. You got some others. Hit. Good shot. Good game, Reds. Good job, Reds. Sorry, that might have been me.
What, that one?
Maybe.
I heard a lot of people go, what?
You got about 3 people though. And then you came straight around the corner. I was like, oh, my bad.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Switching sides.
Hey, he's there, he's there. Hit! Dead man. Oh, we need one more. Thank you for the shoulder tap. I appreciate that.
I haven't got my gun.
No, I just got shot in the front.
Oh.
2 shots of rope for me.
Shit.
Above you. On that door.
Hit!
Yeah, it's just because the threads of the outer barrel snapped off. Oh. I thought we were a tracer.
I think I literally got that on camera from the start.
Yeah. Didn't even shoot anyone.
They're not pushing as much as I thought they were.
Yeah.
They're actually camping a lot more than I thought.
Yeah. I went up through that tunnel thing. I think I got
Yeah, that's right there.
at the back, but once I eventually get in, I'll be in their spawn, so don't worry.
Yeah.
They won't.
Alright, I'm gonna press you in, that's 5.
Yeah.
Let's do it. I'm pushing with you. I'm pushing with you.
I'll keep the one there. All you gotta do is click the one on the right.
Friendly, friendly. Oh.
One down. No, left door, left door.
Hit. Yes, press one more. Thank you, sir. I'll do it 6. Hit, 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 hit. Yay! I'm with you. I'm on your 6. I'm on your 6. Hey, 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 careful, careful. No, 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 no. Come back, come back, come back. There is one that's literally right there waiting for us to go there. That's where I died last time, right? He's right there.
Dead man coming through, dead man, very dead man. Dead. Yep.
Nice. That's a hit. That's a hit. Oh, other way. You sort of stacked up in there. Oh, dear. Oh.
Fucking do it, I see you. I turned around, it was cool, then I was like, I'm going to have to go for it. Sorry, I did go for your arm, but you put your arm back.
That was a tough round.